Well, I've just got wind that Adz is leaving. I better rephrase that for our American friends out there. I haven't actually got wind. I've just heard that Adz is getting ready to leave. Got a funny feeling he was going to sneak off without saying goodbye. Let's go and see him, see how he's getting on, or how he's got on during his time here at the barn. He's done a lot of work on his van. It's quite impressive actually, considering this is only his second van. Take a look at this. Right, buddy, I heard you were leaving.
I am indeed, mate. I'm just getting the van ready for a flight after the epic building session.
The pigeon is taking flight, leaving the van.
She's leaving the nest. Temporarily, I'll be back end of the month for, I don't know, probably another 3 days I think I got. And then hopefully I can call it finished. I mean, it won't be 100% finished, but it'll be done enough that I can go on my Arctic trip and all that. But yeah,
You're
so
brave,
far
man.
the progress, mate. It's been amazing.
Have you enjoyed your time here at the barn?
Oh, I've loved it. I was thinking the other day, right, so this session I've done 2 weeks here, I think. I've been working pretty much 9 AM till 10 PM every day without fail. I haven't had any breaks. And I was just starting to think yesterday, all that time, it's like a month basically of like, 14-hour days, 13-hour days. How would I have done that without this place? It would have been literally impossible.
Yeah, it's not the same, is it? Building a van.
You know what I mean? So I'm so grateful for this place.
Oh, 2 seconds.
It's yeah, without it, I'll probably still be at the, this stage would be 2 years' time. But yeah, you're lucky because my channel hasn't even seen this yet.
Oh, right, so this is another exclusive.
I haven't been on my channel for about 3 weeks because I've been here building. But I'm going home, I'm going to make a video and then I'll be back here at the end of the month. The next video is going to come out where I'm testing all of my new stuff. I've got my heater to try out, I've got all my electrics. It's not in here yet, but I've got my microwave going in there. I've specifically built this morning for my air fryer. There's a new air fryer coming the right size for that. So I'm going to have air fryer, microwave, induction hob, fridge.
No gas?
No gas at all, mate, no.
Just all electric?
You seen me
With
battery?
that huge battery.
Show you my battery.
Now he's going to show off. Take a look at this battery that he's got.
Now this battery is the one. It is. I want to put some light on the subject.
I haven't got a light on this camera, unfortunately.
It's not the brightest
It's
of
turned
lights.
out all right, that, hasn't it? Look at your electrics. That's
Oh,
really
look, it's lucky
nice.
we looked in here because I've got to put that case back on before I drive off.
Well, there you go. That was lucky.
But yeah, that is the battery, mate. It is a 560 amp hour beast of a battery from Fogstar. It's the brand new Fogstar Drift Pro. It's a little dusty. I might give that a wipe down before I leave. But yeah, in general, that thing is going to power everything, mate. And I've got solar on the roof, obviously, plus my DC to DC charger. So that should keep it topped up nicely. See, I'm not planning on having any gas. When I go to the Arctic, which is happening in about 3 or 4 weeks, I am taking an emergency gas cooker, just in case things go wrong.
What, one of those little camping cookers with the
It's
cylinders?
around here somewhere. I've just bought it, just emergency for that
Yeah.
trip. It's like got a little cooking pot that screws onto it.
That's it, yeah.
It's a good one, it looks like. But I'm planning on not opening it. I don't want to use it if I don't have to.
No.
But yeah, it's all about the electric, mate. Yeah, I had gas in my last van and it's just trying to keep things ventilated and I just didn't like it.
Didn't like it.
No, and I certainly didn't want one of them big gas bottles because then you've got to go fill up. My last van, I used to get the tiny ones and I converted my stove to run on them.
Yeah.
So it's a bit easier, but still, it's just a hassle. Whereas this thing, the sunshine will rain upon the pigeon's lid.
Yeah, how much solar have you got?
Free power. I don't know, I think about 500 total, separate panels. And they're both going to different MPPTs because they're different panels. So I think it's about 5.
That's a good idea to have 2 MPPTs. That is a good idea.
Well, originally I was going to have one panel going into my power station and one into my battery, and I
Right.
wasn't going to have any 240 on my leisure battery. I was just power station only, and then the battery for 12 volts. And then I thought I'd get all the proper gear and it's in there, and so both solars going straight into the battery. I was going to just keep it. Well, I'm going to keep my power station in there anyway.
Yeah.
That's going to run me electric blanket every night.
Let's back up.
Yeah, my battery will have a smart switch thing in it, so when it gets full, it will turn on a plug socket and start charging my power station. so that I'm never like wasting power. If I'm at 100% battery and there's solar coming down, or sun coming down, I don't want to be wasting that. And I don't want to be wasting it if I'm driving. You know, the engine can generate more electricity. So if my battery's at 100%, I might as well put it into a power station.
That's a great idea.
Extra power, as if I need more. But yeah, you know, you can never have enough. If something happens to one of those two things, I've got the other as backup.
Yeah, great.
As long as I can make a toasty, I'm happy, mate.
I hear a lot of people are going all electric and doing away with gas. I'm still not convinced it's actually feasible. Well, we'll see.
You'll find out soon.
Yeah,
If I
let's know you
survive
get on.
the Arctic trip, because I need even more up there than I usually would. And the sun, I think at this time of year it doesn't rise when you get right up north. So it's like
probably not.
24 hours of darkness.
Yeah.
So my solar's not going to do a lot, so I'm relying on, oh no, I've got a secret weapon, which I'm going to talk about in one of my upcoming videos. I've got a way to charge my van in a genius way.
Really?
Fiendish plan, without going to a campsite, without any of that, without solar.
I've got a feeling what it is, but I'm not going to say anything.
Yeah, you know what it is.
We'll leave it up to your audience.
Yeah,
I'll leave that for you.
Out soon. That's. I've literally made a cabinet in there today, a little slot just for that product, shall we say?
Device.
That's going to. It's going to make my life a lot easier.
I think I actually made a video saying don't do this.
Yeah, but this is a different one.
Alright, yeah, that's a clue for everyone now. So I made a video saying don't do it, and Adz is going to make a video showing you how to.
Well,
So stick around.
This is a more advanced version, a 2.0 version.
Righto.
So it's gonna work a treat.
It's not a homemade one like I made.
Nah, this is a proper job. So
It's not a Mel MacGyver product.
no, I like safety. Oh yeah, look, I've got my CCTV. I forgot about that. Got my cameras around the roof now. Oh, you showed
Pigeon
that,
vision, yeah. Bird's eye view.
The pigeon
Tiny
vision.
little camera, it's very discreet. There's a little tiny one down there under the bumper as well.
Yeah, I don't know. In a way, it's good to have big ones because then people think, you know, they see it and they think, oh, I don't want to rob that van. But in another way, it's better to have subtle because if someone does do something, they don't think you've caught them on camera, and then you know they're not going to try and rip them off or something.
That is true.
So yeah, I'm happy with them. I haven't got the screen on yet. I had it on temporarily. I need to go and rig that up as well.
Did you sort out your sink? Because you was having trouble with your sink flow. It wasn't draining very fast.
Yeah, I've just wiggled the pipe a bit. Just basically, it was like going along a slope before it went down. I just repositioned it.
Okay, so it's too horizontal.
Everything's sorted so far with everything. All the electrics are working. I just don't know how it's all just gone to plan. To be honest with you, do you mind? It's just don't turn around. Put it away. I don't know if they heard that water dripping out.
We can guess.
But yeah, it's all just gone to plan, mate. Like I say, it's only my second van. The first one was not really a proper build. It was a micro camper, so it was just chucking a few things in there. So I'm quite happy with how it's come along. It has been a lot of help from people like yourself. A lot of questions been fired at you and Aidan and mate Bruce.
I haven't had 5 minutes to myself since you've been here, mate.
That's not true. But yeah, no, you have all been a lot of help.
It's been a pleasure having you here. It really has.
Yeah. But yeah, mate, I didn't film anything myself this time.
No.
This time I can't talk, but next time I come here, I'm going to film probably my last session here. I'm doing my preparation for the Arctic video whilst I'm here.
Some people have been commenting on my channel asking where you are and why haven't you been making videos?
To a couple of your comments yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, did you?
Well, I've been here.
Yeah, been here working.
Yeah, literally. Like, it's hard to explain to people who haven't made a van, but it's literally relentless. It's like
It's because you're not. The thing is, he's not superhuman like me. He can't film himself working on a van.
no, I can. But another thing is my videos are about adventures. They're not about the build so much. Every now and again, I'll chuck some. Well, I'm doing a build video, start to finish, but my main channel is all about the adventures. So when I'm here building, it's like I've already done one video here last time. I didn't just want to repeat that video, so I just thought I'd crack on.
There you go, someone's just tripped the
Is that his, oh, that's his beam, yeah? Right.
No, right, so he's flashing us now.
There's two things I want to quickly ask you before we go.
Right.
First of all, who's got the brighter beam? Right, we got that one over there.
Yeah, but look at his engine.
Yeah.
I think you got your priorities a little bit. Your
He's driving up to the Arctic as well. In 3 weeks, he hasn't got an engine. But
what? Let's have,
I want to wait. Jump round the front of mine.
let's have a look at Adz's beam. See who's got the brightest beam. Holy crowley, yeah. Yeah, I think you win that competition, mate.
Alright, sweet. And one more thing I wanted your opinion on, the viewers.
Viewers' opinion.
Right, this light is dividing opinion, okay? I like it. Well, no, it was you actually that hated it. You know
Oh, yeah.
Because
I
of
don't
my
like
ceiling isn't flat, you got a halo effect around here. Yeah. When Lorian saw it, she absolutely loved it, and I loved it, and then you come along and said you don't like it.
I don't like it.
I think it's alright. See, I could push this up real tight and get rid of it, but I like it.
I don't.
What do you guys think? Is the halo effect... Because I can stand underneath it and look like an angel. I like it. It's when I first put it in, I was like, oh no, that's not very good. But then suddenly I was like, actually no, it is. So yeah.
No, I don't look like it's fitted properly.
Well, you could push it up, but then the switch stops working properly.
Yeah.
I like it.
Alright, you like it.
I forgot that I put it in, I keep forgetting it exists.
As long as you like it, that's all that matters.
Yes,
it's your van, you built it.
Yes, I did.
Just because I think it's crap, it doesn't matter.
Everyone's going to be having them now. They're going to be going up to their Max fans and making little holes in the side to make halos and that.
Yeah, for sure. I can see that happening.
But yeah, I've got a lot of clearing up to do. I've got to get tons of sawdust out of my tools and that, and then load up the van. Go home for Christmas.
Let's have a look. Let's have a quick.
This is the cleanest it's probably ever going to be again.
Exclusive look at Adz's camper interior.
Obviously, this isn't finished. You won't be able to see the wood edges.
No,
when I'm done.
Obviously, it's not finished. Yeah. Maybe you'd want to put a sticker on there.
I don't know if it goes with the van, really. I'm going to have the sticker, and I'm going to put it with my collection of stickers.
Well, you could always put it on the inside of your toilet lid.
But I
don't mind. Then every time you go for a dump, you think of me.
It's probably not the thing I want to be thinking of. There is a correlation between the two, I suppose, Mel. Yeah, no, I'll put it with the rest of my stickers that people give me, and they can just add to my collection. No, do you know what? I don't do stickers. I think they're childish. Stickers are for children, Mel. So I don't stick them to things because they ruin your life. Because then later on you're like, what is that? And you try and get it off and it ruins everything. Yeah. Because I don't use stickers, therefore I don't want to give them out and ruin other people's lives.
I didn't think you'd want to put that anywhere. I just thought I'd give it to you.
Yeah, I know. It's what every time I go to an event.
There's no way he's going to want to put a sticker up in his nice, lush, Bentley-inspired camper van. The last thing
I'll tell you what we could have done.
One of my stickers.
It's too late now, but we could have put it underneath something that's never going to be seen again.
Oh yeah, like I say, the toilet lid. Look, it's perfect.
Now that is going to be seen again, but under here, for example. Oh, that is the product, by the way. In there is
the secret Antarctic weapon.
That's the thing that is going to charge us up wherever we are. That's the little shelf specifically for it. That's how confident I am in that.
And if you want to see that video, you know what you got to do.
It'll be down below. Well, the link for that video won't be, but my channel will be, I hope.
Yeah,
and then on my channel shortly, I'll be showing that thing in action.
Cool.
Yeah. Cut.
Awkward silence.
Right, I'm gonna load up, mate, and I'm gonna shoot off.
All right.
It's been emotional.
Don't, you're going to make me cry.
Right, see you later, mate. Have a good one.
See you later.